to make a mini-map in Roblox Studio. Add screen GUI and starter GUI, name it MiniMap. Add viewport frame, name it Map Frame. Viewport frame is used to display 3D objects within a 2D GUI. Add UI aspect ratio constraint. This is a tool that maintains a specific width to height ratio. Add image label, name it player arrow, and insert the player arrow image. Create a folder in WordSpace, name it Map Folder, and put all the objects you want to display on the minimap in this folder. Add local script to minimap. Writing the script. This script creates a minimap system in Roblox that shows the player's position and orientation on a 2D map. Set up the minimap components, making sure that the names you set match the script names. A camera is created for the minimap, set to a scriptable type for custom control. Field of view is minimized for a zoomed-out top-down view. Links the camera to the minimap frame. Clones all objects from map folder into the minimap frame, creating a visual representation of the map. Updates the camera position to stay directly above the player. You can change the number here to adjust the height of the camera. Rotates the player arrow based on the player's current orientation, ensuring it points in the correct direction. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. If the script works, you can come back and further customize your game. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.